Okay, now next question. Susie was saying, working with the blend modes, it changes the colors. Okay, this is a good one. The thing is that, and I am going to show you here in the help file, blend mode, the blend mode, that's the very definition of blending, is combining the colors from different layers. So if you have two layers at the same point where there's a pixel, depending on the blend mode, it will apply different effects. For example, for the multiply, which we tend to use, it will combine the colors of the selected layer while the underlying layer to produce a darker color. It's like it has a combination effect. So that is why the original colors are not maintained, because that's the very definition of blending mode. So it's blending the colors. If you want to do, for example, let's have these two. So I have this photo. If I decide to add this overlay on top, and because it's an overlay, I'm not concerned about the blurriness or anything, so I'm just going to stretch it out. And now I can play with the blend mode. And you will see the effect and how those pixels, the two layers, will be combining and changing the colors. So that's the very definition of the blend mode. You'll get different effects. Depending on what you want to get, you might want to use something that is black and white. So it might or might not do what you want, depending again on what you want to do. So if I have this overlay and, come on, this one's not, this might be interesting. It's really nice, I find, with the 2023s that you can actually see the effect without having to apply it and coming back. But as you can see, even with a black and white, it will tend to change the colors. So if I go with overlay, this is a little bit different, but the colors will be either darker, lighter, more saturated, less saturated, or even shifting to a different color completely. But when we do something like difference, you can see how the boat turns blue. Not sure why, but you know. And dodge, it's a little brighter. Burn changes completely, and so on. So it is unfortunate that it changes the color, but that's what the tool does. So that's why it does that. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!